have the double wheel 360 rotation here. You have the standing legs here, the extendable handle. Very nice. The other handle. Let's talk about everything I love about this suitcase. The color is super festive and fun. It does come in a variety of different colors, so choose the one you like the best. The extendable handle comes out super, super smooth. I do love they did not forget about these feet, so you can set your suitcase down smooth. Let me show you guys how easily the extendable handle comes out and goes back in with the push of a button, just like that. I like these hard body sides they've added because, as you guys know, your suitcase may or may not get thrown around. Check out these 360 wheels that glide along very smoothly. I'm barely even pushing that, you guys.